A very beautiful and lovely morning to you all. Once again with you here is Kingsley, and I'm making this video for the daily market outlook. So let's get straight to it. Here on the fundamentals we have jobless claim, and we also have other news that were not included on this page here. We still have monthly PPI, that's the February PPI, and we also have jobless claims, and I expect all that to play in favor with the US dollar. And also, let's get straight to it. Yeah, here in the chart we have what do we have here? We see gold took out that high I was speaking about yesterday. This high I was looking to see price take yesterday. We see gold actually swept this high, and now we are in this supply zone above here. I'm still expecting gold to take out all this high and give us on that all-time high, because obviously we are still on the uptrend on gold. So after this range we saw a sweep of liquidity, and next after the sweep of liquidity was a push up. Don't forget accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. We were actually accumulating over here. We saw price accumulating over here, and then we saw a manipulation to this downside, to this demand, and from there we had a change of character here. We had a change of character here, and from there we saw price retest back to this zone, to retest back, coming to give us a nice entry. But if you wanted to take this trade, either you took it from the 5 minutes, or I don't think it gave us an opportunity in the 15 minutes, because I was also looking to see it to take the trade, but it was kind of a risky one because I can't be taking the 1:1 risk to reward. Yeah, so obviously we saw this, or 2:1 risk to reward. I can't be taking that. Yeah, so obviously we saw this trade play out as we expected yesterday, exactly how we expected it to play out. So here in the 4 hours, we still remember we still have a demand, a supply that is in control here, though I'm expecting price to break it, but this is just to make us stay careful and stay off expectations in the market. Yeah, so I still expect price to give us another high, all-time high. Like I said before, I am hoping that gold will get to at least 3,000 before it starts reversing back down again. Yeah, so that is that for gold. I'm still looking to see price movement here. If price is going to sell, we might see a change of character from this low, this sell candle before the buy. We might see a change of character from this before we will keep looking for longs. Yeah, so we might see a change of character from this low. If we see a change of character from this low, then we might, before we continue looking for shorts, sorry. Yeah, but if not, we will just see price keep going high and taking out this high here. That's the all-time high. Yeah, that's that for gold. Going to the next pair, DXY. Here on DXY we saw price was also nice. Here on DXY, sorry, price was also nice. In the daily time frame, we have this sweep in liquidity, this sweep here in liquidity here. So we are looking to see price reverse after this sweep here, but we still want to be following the other flow. That's the trend, because the trend is our best friend and our only friend. So we are still looking to keep following the trend and keep going low, because we still have a supply in control. Going to the 4 hours for beautiful and better pictures. Yeah, here in the 4 hours we see supply is still in control. Like here, this supply was in control here, this one was in control here. Yeah, so supply obviously is still in control, and we don't want to be buying while the market is still not ready to buy. So though we all are looking to see price reverse, but we still want to be trading in accordance with the trend. Yeah, so we might see price dropping lower from here, but if we should have a shift up, a shift in structure from here, that means we are ready for the longs. If not, we will still keep seeing price go give us lows like this. But it will be nice to see price break this high, giving us a change of character, and so that price can push a little bit up to this zone, something like this. A change of character, we test, and then to this high. Maybe from here or from here we will see a sell. Yeah, that's what I'm looking out for on DXY. So nothing much to say about this, just to keep looking. So to the next pair, Euro USD. Euro USD was also nice. Sorry. Euro USD was also nice. Yeah. We saw Euro USD play out nice also after we see this sweep of this high from yesterday. You just see the demand. Sorry, I said yesterday. From Monday, we see a sweep of this high, which was supposed to be the supply that was to push price lower. But Euro USD is exactly trades exactly with DXY. Yeah, so if Euro USD is the vice versa of DXY. So what we just want to see now is a shift in trend so that we can continue with the trend, or we will just continue so that we can have a pullback to have so that we can continue with the longs. Just a shift in trend, a little bit of pullback so that we can continue with the long. If not, we will just continue seeing obviously demand being in control. Like I said, guys, I was looking to see a shift in trend here, like a shift of character, a change of character here, from here breaking this low and then dropping down to here or somewhere here. But here is our 50%, so I was looking to see price drop down to here, so before continuing with the uptrend. Yeah, but obviously now we still see price respecting demands. Yeah, like this demand was in control here, this demand was in control here, though we are seeing this price reduce momentum in this zone, which still means price might reverse, and which also means price is wanting to continue, because the fact that demand still remains in control and price has swept this high and demand still remains in control is showing us more signs that we should keep going higher. Yeah, so we might see a little pullback to this zone here, this last buy before this, if price hasn't already tested it. We might see a little pullback to this today before price will continue its movements. Yeah, so we just have to watch out for that. We might see a little pullback here before we continue, or we might just see price change character. That would be lovely to see, but I'm not going in for any shots if I don't see a change of character from here, so that we can continue with the shots. Yeah, that's that for Euro USD. Going to the next pair, GU also was kind of okay. Yeah, here in GU we see we just approached the supply, daily supply, and we don't want to be trading against the trend also, so we just have to keep watching and waiting if we can see a change of character. If not, we will just keep longing GU. Yeah, so I'm expecting GU today. Let's see what we'll be looking out for on GU in the 4 hours. Yeah, so on GU 4 hours, I'm still looking to see our demands in control also, though I want to see a sell off on price, because we obviously were in a daily zone, but the weekly time frame is still showing us bear bullish signs. So, and we want to see price keep going up. Yeah, we see demand is in control, our demands are still being in control, and here obviously after this sweep, this is still a demand being in control. If we can see price break this low in the 4 hours, maybe then give us a change of character and take out this final low, which is the final change of character low, then we might keep seeing low till all the way here, or maybe even lower. Yeah, so before a reversal. So that's that for GU. Yeah, that's that for GU also. Then, but if not, we might just keep seeing price going higher. Yeah, so that's that for GU. Going to the next pair, AUD. Going to the next pair, AUD. AUD also has been nice. On AUD, we saw this trend and this trend downward movement, supply being in control over and over again after we tested this daily supply. Yeah, but overall time frame from the monthly to the weekly, we are on an uptrend. If we should go to the weekly, we'll see we are still on an uptrend. Yeah, we just took out this high and tapped into our weekly area of see this weekly zone here, so we are still looking, I'm still looking for longs, because we see this liquidity sweep here and this here. Yeah, so I'm still looking for longs on this pair, still looking for longs on AUD, because obviously we should still be longing. Yeah, because the time frame, daily and weekly time frame is in alignment. Here we see demand still being in control. Obviously still being in control, our demands are still in control, and this is just this week's candle. So before, maybe before the end of the week, we might see this high being taken out. So we're still looking for longs, despite seeing price reversing a little bit. I'm still looking to see price take this high, yeah, so that the structure will be nice. So if we should go back to the daily time frame, we will see what I'm talking about. Yeah, here in the daily time frame, we see all that we saw. Daily and weekly time frame are in alignment, so I will still be looking to see longs, maybe price take out all these highs, and in the 4 hours we still have our range based liquidity that I was looking to see price take here, and another one now here. So price has already given us a breakout, so maybe we might see a retest here like this before we push further higher, or we might just see price continue. We might see a retest like this and then continue with the longs, or we might just see price, yeah, break back down, because obviously this is still in control. We might just see price come break back down like this, taking out this previous low before we will see a structure movement, maybe taking out this low and tapping into this demand again before we will now see a push up. Yeah, taking out this low and tapping into this demand again before we now see a final push up to continue with the trend. Yeah, so that's that for AUD. That's that for AUD. Depending on what the price does, I will be looking to, that's depending on what the price does now, I will be looking to see, I'll be reacting from what the price does. So guys, this is what you're watching out for: the test to this trend line, change of character, and then boom, longs taking out these highs. So that's what I'll be looking out for on AUD. Going to the next pair, New Zealand. New Zealand also playing out as similar to AUD. Yeah, a bit similar to AUD. Going to the daily time frame, we all know New Zealand has been on an uptrend. Also, New Zealand is respecting the uptrends, respecting the demands. Yeah, take out this high, and the next expected high to be taken out is this. Though price ended up trying to respect the demand of it, but we are still expecting price to take out this high. This is just a bump along the way, just like we had this bump here before price tapped into this what do you call it, supply. Though this supply is looking like it's the reason why price pushed back down, but it will still be lovely to see price take out this high, because if price should take this high, yeah, maybe the structure will be continued. Yeah, so but if not, we might just keep seeing lows and lows, yeah, on New Zealand. Going to the 4 hours, want to be trading in alignment, don't forget want to be trading in alignment. Yeah, so in the 4 hours here, we had this sweep of liquidity in a demand zone, and then from there we had a change of character and push up last week. All this happened last week also, or last week. Yeah, then from then we saw a push back down from last week here. We saw a push back down from this demand here, this supply above here. So from there we will be either looking to see price take this low once again, tapping into this what do you call it, this demand here, before we will see further upsides. If not, we might just keep seeing longs from here. We might just see this demand here already in control. We might just see this demand here already in control, like this demand here already in control and pushing the market further up. But we might just see a little bit sweep, like a change of character from here. We might see a change of character from here, and then price will sell off. A change of character from here, then we sell off to this low before we long back up and take out all these highs here. So that's what I'll be looking for on New Zealand. Either a change of character from here, taking this low, or maybe even taking this low and respecting this demand here and then pushing back up, or a change of character from there, taking all these lows after the change of character like this, then another change of character within here, so we know we are ready to long then before we take out this low. Or we might just see price heading straight up from this zone, like, sorry, let me take this one out. We might just see price heading straight from this zone here up. Yeah, we might see something like this also. So that's that for New Zealand. That's all we have for today. So guys, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, and if you like videos like this, just make sure to subscribe. God bless. Peace out.